Judge, just because he's gay doesn't mean that he likes femboys.
Get you out of this. What
I'm
the
doing
fuck?
this.
Little T-Man. What the fuck are you doing here?
Okay.
I am the boss of Femboy Hooters.
It's kind of like I'm pretty sure Aiden's. Oh, Aiden, dude, they got ginger hair in this, bro. You should cosplay as
I
yourself.
think I do have.
Oh, guys.
There's goon sauce on my screen.
And then the one where it's like the comment is that approves.
Ding dong.
All right.
Being a
Oh
femboy
my
lover.
gosh.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't know who that is, bro. There's not enough G's, bro.
Entire deck is tailored towards it, bro.
Okay. Let's start this prosecution.
Okay. All right, let's start it. All right, who wants to go first? Oh shit.
Prosecutor.
Prosecutor.
Prosecutor always goes first.
What's prosecutor red?
Holy shit, I'm
Yep.
sniping Declan.
Today I would like to start off my prosecution against Dean Dog, as he is a femboy lover. The first evidence I would like to bring up is the his journal.
Okay, what's in his journal?
We searched his journal and we found all his love notes to femboys. That's what I would like to start my
Wait,
argument
you
with.
found his love notes in his journal? How do you know that's his journal, bro?
Because it says his name on it.
Where, I don't see a journal. Where's the journal at?
Shut the fuck up.
In the evidence folder?
Press tab.
Oh, okay.
Evidence folder.
Well, I don't see I see a card. I don't see a physical journal.
You have to do a little bit of role playing, okay?
Are you done?
Yes, I would like.
Also, you.
God damn it.
Yeah, you figured it
I can
out.
stun people. How do I unstun someone?
You can hold it down for longer. Hold down your click to stun him for longer.
What? No. So first off, Fonzie, your mom. Like,
That's
are we
not
considering
good for
something?
Isaac.
That's your mom
For
too,
the
Greg.
actual start of it, we looked on this Femboy Discord server and tried to find Isaac's any connection to him, and there was none. There was no connection.
Well, what about his journal,
His
though?
Discord. His journal was probably fabricated,
Who
cause
the hell uses a journal, anyways? Like, what the fuck?
Exactly,
Yeah.
dude.
How the fuck
we
do you
also
count?
This guy's snipe
we
casing.
also searched through
Porn-
Isaac's porn
porn
search
search.
history, and Isaac had no searches of any femboys in that.
Well, maybe Isaac be like...
Breaking news! Breaking news!
Breaking
Breaking
news.
news!
news.
Isaac found near Femboy Hooters.
No!
That's only near.
Oh, Isaac! Only near. Only near.
Okay.
And also, Isaac
Okay.
is a raging alcoholic. So
Oh
he,
my God.
if he did in fact go near the Femboy Hooters, it was just a drink.
Okay. Hey, Casey.
I end my side.
You end your side. Okay, let's see what Declan or Logan has to say now.
Raging
Judge.
alcoholic, I see.
Hey,
Why
Judge.
would he not be drunk right now?
Okay.
That's something
Whoa.
we need to see there. Porn search
Is
history?
he drunk right now?
What app did they use? No, sir.
What?
What app did they use?
I don't know.
I don't know.
Ask him,
He
bro.
could have used he could have had multiple accounts on Pornhub.
That's true.
Uh,
That's true. Wait a minute. That's so true though. Wait.
He
Yeah,
only
Femboy
has one
Discord
email.
server.
Serious dedication, bro.
They only checked one Femboy Discord server.
Okay.
Other evidence I want to bring up is this blurry CCTV video of him going into that
CCTV.
Femboy Hooters and
I don't know. Where?
the old sticky fingerprints on
Okay.
the Femboy Hooters doorway that belonged to him.
I don't know who that is.
And my
I'm just
last-
doing this,
My
You are
last
aware.
thing of
You are
evidence
aware the alcohol that he drinks gets sticky.
is a
if it
VR
dries on
headset with no controllers. What would he do with those?
Shut the fuck
No
up.
controllers?
How would you even
What would he
control
do?
it though?
Yeah.
Low-key?
What the fuck?
You goon.
As-
That's what he
as
does. He goons.
Your
As
turn.
we saw, Isaac did have porn on his computer. It was the thing is it wasn't femboy porn, and that's all that we're talking about
What
here.
was it then?
It was men kissing.
Stepmom.
Okay.
Is this real?
Yeah.
Also, we saw these iPhone messages that when we were searching for
Isaac
evidence.
doesn't have an
Isaac's
iPhone.
phone. Bro, have imagination, bro. Holy shit.
The last
Oh,
piece of
Judge.
evidence that I want to bring up
What the fuck?
is how Isaac is a
That
Discord.
is, yo,
kitten.
wait a minute, yo, low key though, low key.
Yo,
Low-key,
what?
though.
Yo.
He is a Discord kitten. Okay, that's my final. I close my side.
Click it to me again, bro.
No, you're done, bro.
I need to call in my witness.
Okay, call in
Yeah,
your
no,
witness.
no one even called in their witness, bro. Alright.
Sir, you are an expert.
I am
on
a femboy expert.
Okay.
You're an expert on femboys.
Of course, Isaac's
and-
slanging, bro.
Does
Through
Isaac
civil
believe?
observation, through my client's search history, there is no femboy porn.
Yeah, okay. What about the Discord thing though with the guy?
That was nearly just smart calculations to get what he wanted through the means of pretending. And
He's defending himself.
through looking at these chat logs, I see no circulation of true dedication to this relationship.
Judge, just because he's gay doesn't mean that he likes femboys.
Dude, Aiden's parents are gonna fucking love this video, bro.
Alright.
No! No!
Oh.
Okay, this is my
it's-
turn. My turn. This is mine. This is my witness.
I am the boss of Femboy Hooters. The
This is boss of
same
Femboy
Femboy
Hooters.
Hooters
With the
that I saw
fingerprints
your
on the doorway.
client in the other day.
Fingerprints on the doorway.
Not
No.
only were there fingerprints,
Your Honor,
but
Your Honor, Your Honor, Your
Shut
Honor.
the fuck up.
I
Holy
supplied this young gentleman that's suing this Dean Dog here with
Yep.
the CCTV video
Yep.
footage.
And the
What
evidence
is
that
it?
I showed you there, Your Honor.
Can I stand up?
It's in the evidence.
It's in the evidence, Your Honor. This is
I've been
cold hard
working
proof.
with this young gentleman to solve
hard
this
proof.
case because I believe it
Donald
is
Trump?
a open and closed case. Yes,
Open and
very
closed.
open and closed.
Ejection, Your Honor.
That's all I want from my witness.
You said objection,
Great
Your
I
Honor.
would like.
Great
I
job,
would like.
sir. I love
I
you.
would like
Great
to
job.
question the witness as well, Your Honor. I'd like to question their witness though.
Why am I back here?
I don't know what I'm doing, dude.
Can I question their witness?
Sure, bro.
Thank you.
Okay.
Hello, sir. Okay.
Oh,
Boss of this so-called femboy Hooters.
hello.
Did you see Isaac Holmberg interacting with any of these
Oh,
femboys?
full name.
Personally?
Well, I'm the boss, so I'm not out there. But my CCTV footage showed him being very interesting with our guests. So I
Is
have
it
reason to
true
believe he
that
was.
Is it true that you serve drinks at this femboy Hooters?
Yes,
Oh,
that
and
is
was-
part of
Isaac's a
our
raging
experience.
And was Isaac sitting at the bar? Yes or no?
Yes, he was.
So is
Is he
it
on probation?
true that maybe Isaac would
he
have
on
been severely drunk when he was in your femboy Hooters?
Yes, but that doesn't
That's all I need
Explain.
from this witness.
why
all I
he
need.
is at
That's all I
my
need.
bar,
Oh, why?
one that
That's all I need.
specifically is tailored for femboys. There are millions
On the-
of bars
on the
everywhere.
CCTV.
Why would he go to mine?
Did it seem like he was drunk before entering your femboy Hooters?
Breaking
Breaking
news!
news.
He
Breaking
looked
news.
like he was.
Isaac seen geeked
Oh.
at the
Wait, no.
Oh,
There's a
yeah.
picture of a femmo.
Did he seem
Can it be a
drunk
female or a
before?
femboy? You don't know.
What is your argument,
Did
Did he
Declan?
seem geeked and drunk before he went into the femboy Hooters?
What
He
does that matter,
seemed-
bro?
He seemed like he was fine when he walked in. It was pretty early in the morning.
He's still walking into a femboy Hooters, bro.
If he was impaired, then it wouldn't have mattered because he
Why?
didn't know it was a femboy Hooters.
Yes, he would've.
Yes, he would.
All right, bro. You have no imagination.
Yeah, shut your mouth.
Scroll to the other selection
Your Honor.
and then click on one of them or something.
Your Honor.
What's up, dude? Isaac.
Me.
Guilty as socks.
Bro, have any form of imagination, bro. You didn't take into the fact that he was geeked
We're gonna
outside
get
of the
you outta
bar,
here
bro.
You should
No
search
more.
it once.
Nathan left.
No.
Okay. Whoa, 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 whoa! whoa.
What are we doing,
I'm gonna get
Logan?
you out of this. What the
Undoing
fuck?
it, bro.
Little T-man. What the fuck are you doing here?
Okay. Trust.
I am here today because I believe Nathan Larrick is selling fake muhas to people and purposely spiking them with fent and killing
Oh
people.
my god.
Do you have any evidence of this?
I do. See,
Yo, chill.
we took one of these muhas.
I know, mama
And
too.
we scanned its fingerprints and we
Whoa.
ran them.
Sticky. Why are they always
And-
sticky?
We did a sting operation where we got one of our clients to buy a muha.
Yeah.
Did you have a warrant?
We saw you were selling. Your client was selling them. You don't need a warrant to buy it. And
Shut your mouth, Nathan.
We took it
before I
apart.
turn you into a bird.
and we realized there were fingerprints inside the
Inside.
casing where the muha
You smell
liquid
some
goes,
shit.
or the
Yep.
THC
You want
distillate.
this, bro?
Therefore, showing some tampering with the muha before it was sold.
Alright! What did he say?
He said he found your fingerprints inside an old muha. Showing
Oh,
tampering.
okay. Well,
Your Honor, Your
I
Honor.
win. First of all, so
Okay.
my
Alright.
client is free.
Auto win.
Okay. On a real note, though, first of all, so he's accusing me of fingerprints on old muha, right? But
Yo,
there is
this
a
Becky's
journal
dick.
of all my logs of all the muhas I have sold,
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
and you can go through and see that I only sell the real deal.
I'll go through right now, actually.
Yeah,
Go
you
through
can
right
take
now.
that. And
188 sales. Very.
yeah, I kind of make bread.
As you can
Um,
see, this is why this is so concerning, because of the mass market.
There's a lot of people there.
Yeah, and I would never sell a fake muha.
You're the attorney.
I mean, my defendant, my guy here is,
He looks like a YN
Yeah.
to me. I don't know.
bro, that's Lil T, bro. Chill.
Is that the end of your evidence?
And there's a talking sock.
This is
Oh.
obviously presenting that not only is the person that I'm trying to get locked away insane, but this also proves that my attorney is insane as well. You see, I'd like to present this
Yo,
eviction
stop
notice
abusing your
that we
power.
found outside Nathan Larrick's household. Obviously showing that times are tough. And
Yes.
you know, Your Honor, THC distillate is expensive. So I
Very.
believe that a part of the story is that Nathan couldn't afford all that distillate. So he started mixing it with other items to try to set back the costs to make more money. But yes, I'd like to present this eviction notice, trying to paint a bigger picture on why he might be tampering with these muhas.
Yes.
Your Honor.
Attorney Blue the Savage 4, what is your response to this eviction notice and fingerprint?
Okay, well, first of all, you're a bitch. That's a hard time. Dude. It's a hard time. Okay.
Bring me.
Okay. I could not pay the bills. The water was shut off. That's not my fault, bro. And yeah, so I started selling muhas, because I couldn't make no more money. My job wasn't giving me enough, bro. So I quit and I started selling muhas. It's paying off. And
How old
Let's
is
see
your
here.
client?
my client here is 22 years old.
Okay.
So he is the legal age for the smoking in the state of Minnesota.
Does he have a distribution?
You don't need a distribution license, numbnuts.
Bro,
So-
What
yes,
did,
you do.
what did my journalist just say?
A tunnel. Oh shit.
What is this? Free butt?
That has nothing to do with the case, Your Honor, of me selling fake muhas. That is just one of my techniques to get customers, bro. Chill. Yo, how'd you get that, bro?
Alright.
Anyways, my client here has decided to let me know that he wanted to present lotion. So
Ooh.
he presented
Oh.
this because to make sure his muhas are real, he lathers
Yeah.
them in an oily base with lotion. So if you touch them, you know they're the real deal.
Call a witness, bro.
Wait. Your witness is coming to the stand.
Oh
Yo,
snap!
oh my god, dude.
Oh, what's up? I'm the witness. I'm an expert. I'm an expert on selling muhas, and I know that Nathan would never do that because you can't put fat in a muha.
Never mind.
You can't put.
That's
fentanyl
not
on.
objection, Your Honor. That is just false.
Objection sustained. Do you have anything else to say?
It's scientifically proven that you're a bitch. So.
Okay.
Let me
Wait.
explain how I got my witness. You see, Nathan, during his job hunt after quitting his job because he decided he wasn't making enough, we learned that he tried applying for some
Objection!
movies to aspire as his dream as an
On what
actor.
grounds? On what grounds?
Hold on. Objection. Fuck. Objection. Okay.
On what grounds?
On fucking the statement he just said.
On what grounds?
Can you repeat his statement, chat?
Bro,
Objection denied.
this
Continue
attorney is
talking.
geeked off. During one of these movies, this movie producer claimed to have seen Nathan selling a muha to an actor, and then that actor dying from an overdose shortly after.
Witness, what do you have to
I love you,
say?
did, bro.
Oh,
Oh.
breaking news.
This better be
Well,
relevant to the
breaking
case or
news.
you're banned.
Exactly my
Ooh.
point.
Ooh.
This picture
Scandalous
obviously shows
pre-crime.
someone that wasn't ready for
Objection.
Nathan's
Objection.
muhas, and therefore the
On what
fakeness
grounds?
of the
On the
extra
fucking
drugs.
grounds of saying a customer.
Okay. Keep on talking.
No
Objection denied.
objection.
Objection denied.
Obviously, this
Let the
shows
witness
that
speak.
the fake muhas are obviously killing people by overdose.
Let the witness speak.
Your bro called me up for no reason, Loki. What's up?
You saw him sell a muha to someone
you see
and they
this?
overdosed.
You
Yeah.
saw this?
Can you speak on that a little bit?
Yeah, it was like behind like my stuff, and it was low-key not cool, bro. That was my best guy. And, like,
No, this witness is slow.
I'm low-key in a Clash Royale game right now, and I'm like low-key like.
I would also like to pull out these messages that I found between
Yo, stop abusing your power,
him and his
bro.
his client, because from what these messages say, he was messaging one of his clients as he would, right?
Yes.
Right.
It looks like it's all going good. They're setting up a meeting date. And it looks like at the time, the last message that that the guy that Nathan was texting said is, "Thank you so much. I can't wait to use that." And then
Yeah.
he never texted again.
Ooh.
And I find that a bit suspicious, as usually people that get muhas come back for more, especially if they're selling it as good as a price as Nathan does.
Yeah.
And so we tried rolling back that number that Nathan was texting. And funny enough, he was pronounced dead 3 days after Nathan sold the muha. Judging off of previous cases, especially the one with my movie producer, I feel like another overdose right after selling someone a muha, it just can't be a coincidence, Your Honor. And that is
Is that
my
your
closing
closing
statement. Thank
statement?
you.
TSPMO, Loki.
Why should your man not go to jail?
Because first of all, the guy that tried his butt technique to get the free sample
Okay.
had stage 4 rectal cancer in his
Ooh.
and that is not good if you inhale through your ass with rectal cancer. It exploded. And he died.
That is a
That is-
case that I didn't even look into, Your Honor. This has nothing
But
to do with what I
The
presented
police
as
were
evidence.
involved and no one was charged with anything because there was an accident and the retard buyer decided to do it. The fent overdose, what is the time period on that? Where's the time on that? Because again, these people buying from my client here aren't just doing more than one drug, sir. He could have done any other drug that could have had fent in it before the muha.
Taking
I
all
would
this
like-
into account, I would want to hear one more news statement.
He's
Breaking
done.
news.
Oh my god, breaking news.
Oh.
Oh.
You see, now this is recent. This is recent news. This is breaking news.
Oh wow.
I don't doubt that my client, after getting a steady income, tried to clean up his act and forget the past.
Yo, Aiden.
However, that
Yo,
doesn't
Judge.
excuse the lives that were lost before Nathan was clean and proven.
Okay.
See, Walter White died a good
Damn
man, but
it.
he still killed children.
Shut the fuck up.
Witness, what do you
Yeah.
want to say?
Them lab tests fake as fuck.
Oh.
Oh.
I'm
That-
going
that's-
off Nathan's scandalous free trial, and Nathan showing off his new tests. Combined with the fingerprints, eviction notice, and the iPhone messages, with only a journal, lotion, and a tunnel to go against it. What is that tunnel being used for, Nathan?
That is where I go to
You get
where
your
he gets
fentanyl.
to get
That's
his
where you
supplier.
get your fentanyl.
No, that's where he goes to
That
get
is
his
where you
supplier.
get your fentanyl.
Your Honor.
And with that,
you can't say that, Your Honor.
and with
That's,
that,
you can't say that, Your Honor. You can't say that, Your Honor. You can't say that, Your Honor.
Let's go. What's wrong with his mouth? What the fuck? Nathan, look at him. Oh shit.
What the hell, Leonte? Oh no.
Hey, Judge.
What's up?
Oh fuck.
How the fuck I do that, bro? Oh, I see.
Just it's numbers.
Alright,
Declan a bit.
If I
Logan
can
a
hit
bit.
Declan with this, he loves cop.
They both like
Alright.
that.
Okay.
Oh.
Yeah. All right, order.
Dude, it
Today,
looks like there's two
we are-
faces, bro.
We are combined, or we are conjoined together today to speak on the case of Casey, that Isaac is accused of being in a gay relationship with Casey. And prosecutor, would you like to open your case?
Yeah, I would.
need to chop it up.
It's been a long time, and Casey and Isaac are inseparable.
bad, Judge.
They are always seen
Dude,
together. They sleep together. They ride in the same car. They do things together.
It's not your turn to speak.
When one person doesn't do something, the other doesn't, and vice versa. It's just like they go together so well. Here,
Hey,
I guess
Casey.
I'll put a party hat.
What's up? Okay.
Yeah. All right.
You're not required to provide evidence, but those are some pretty good opening words, and I can see why my client is being accused of this, or the clients.
Okay, so first of all, I just want to open up with a loyalty card that
Oh my
Casey and
fucking
Isaac
God.
use at a local place that they both go to all the time. But it wouldn't be all the time, because if you notice right there, it says never enough points. They do not hang out that much.
What's up with Casey?
What
and his
do you mean?
loyalty
Yes, they
dog?
literally do. They touch each other like every day, bro.
And this dark web purchase was made from Casey's house, which indicates that he was not at Isaac's house, at least on the full day of this.
With
So-
his dad.
If they're so inseparable, then why would he be alone, and why would they not hang out enough to get loyalty points?
He is saying that there was a shared loyalty card between the two of them, and it does not have enough points to redeem anything. Therefore, they don't use it that much. Therefore,
To
they're
what?
not together enough.
To
And,
what?
Dude, he hit my
all right.
fucking ball of paper.
Who?
Breaking
Oh,
news.
breaking news.
Breaking news. Oh shit.
Oh.
What the fuck?
Oh, this is
Holy
pretty damning
can't
evidence.
draw.
What is this projection, dude? What is this projecting?
Yeah, bring Nathan on.
Yeah.
Oh, my
What is
bad, my bad.
that?
I didn't mean to do
What
that.
is that?
I didn't mean to do that. What the?
Yo, put it
Text
down.
from behind you, bro.
Put that shit down.
And it
He did.
doesn't even matter because Isaac's the only one buying shit anyways.
That's not even true. I have more money than him in my account right now.
Yeah, but who's
Yo,
the
didn't
one
you want me
buying?
to
You
come
don't
up,
ever
bro?
buy for him.
I'm on a come up, gang. I literally bought mac and
How
cheese
do I-
for him.
Bro, this
the past 2
prosecutor
times,
lame as hell.
You guys use the same
Yeah,
phone
this
number?
prosecutor a bitch. This prosecutor a bitch.
Yeah,
His
You want
body's
to call up
hair.
your witness?
Yeah, bring him up.
What am I?
Hello, Mr.
I'm the
Officer.
policeman. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh,
What the
Oh.
fuck?
This turned into a rape case. So I was on the freeway
Mm-hmm.
when I saw a car going a little too fast. You know. I pull it over, and yes, it is the accused here that was in the car, Isaac and Casey in the vehicle.
Now, was
But
Casey jerking his
from
shit?
so when I told Isaac to roll down the window, Casey was grabbing hit a little meat, but I didn't see Isaac doing anything weird, so I didn't expect anything. And And we just
Objection!
went-
Objection! His meat is fucking huge.
Yeah.
Casey ate everything.
All right.
Guilty.
All right. How do you respond, attorney?
All right. Anyways,
You want to
this
send
is
your
a,
witness away, bro? What?
No. I'm talking about Logan.
Oh,
Yo, why'd you
wow.
call me up
Alright.
here, bro?
All right. So, anyways, this is an expert on gay love. He's gay himself. I had him analyze
What the
Casey and
fuck?
Isaac's past interactions, and made some funny findings that discovered no gay
So yeah,
activity.
here we
between
go.
them.
Where'd
So
Logan
Casey,
go?
Casey came
He's
up
a
to me
juror,
one day,
bro.
offering me $500 to try to find these guys and see if they have any gay
Okay.
love in the past. Okay, so I did some finding. He told me their legal names and their social security number, so it was pretty easy to find them. So, and I did a little digging, I did a little watching, and yeah, I do see some suspicious contact sometimes between them, especially when dishing out the muha.
That's real. I didn't even bring
You're
that up.
supposed to be a witness for Casey.
No, but he's just like, that's just a bad witness for Casey then.
Wow.
Yes. Casey seen being whoa.
What?
All right.
Okay.
Are we really
Yeah, no
having
one
beef in
laughed,
the court
bro.
right now? Are we really having beef in the court right now?
What the situation was like
Hey, Casey
before,
Mo,
and you're
bitch.
kind of
Oh,
you're kind
give
of
it back to
pointing
me. Give it back to me.
fingers. But
give it back to me.
Your witness
A
was a
lost
pretty
shoe
good
found at at Isaac's house.
Yeah, Your Honor, get his ass out of here, dude. He can't talk, bro.
A lost
Get his ass
shoe?
out of
Dude,
here.
I'm about to fall asleep.
What the fuck?
Um,
You're throwing.
Who does
When Isaac was in a coma, Casey was by his bedside, waiting for him every single day.
He's been in prison hospitals for the past 5 years.
Boxing gloves. They were boxing, having rough boxing sex,
But
and
they're
then
never
they
used.
It says never used.
the doctor's office and the lost shoe are actually pretty damning evidence.
Oh.
Because if a lost shoe of Isaac's size was seen at Casey's house or vice versa,
Mhm.
that would make for a pretty notable thing. And also,
Your Honor.
if it's true that Isaac has been in prison doctor's offices, it is possible that Casey could come visit.
Well,
in
here's
a
what
coma.
happened. Here's what happened. So, Isaac was at Casey's house, right? Loses his shoe, whatever. They drive to together to go get it back or whatever the hell. Nathan pulls him over, sends Isaac to the prison. Isaac falls, breaks his head, whatever.
What the fuck, bro?
Isaac goes in a coma. Casey stays by his bedside in the prison for the rest of his life. All right, case closed.
Wow,
that sounds
is
like a love
pretty-
story to me.
That is a
Isaac.
pretty well
Isaac,
thought
that's
out
pretty good,
story. What? How do you respond?
Now, Casey,
It's cooked, bro. You're cooked, bro. You're
fucking
fucked, dude.
LeBron over here. What the fuck?
That's
Well,
exactly
first
what
of all,
happened.
what was Isaac pulled over for?
For speeding, bro.
Speeding.
That's what he said.
As the officer said before.
How
Because you were
would
sucking him off or
the...
jerking off or something. Like that.
Dude, how would Isaac be speeding if he had no shoe on and therefore couldn't get enough grip on the pedal to
Because he
push
fucking
it out of
put
the
his
way?
foot down.
Not how
That
that,
is
works.
This guy's pulling shit out of his ass now. He's
Your Honor,
reaching
my
into
client is
crevices.
guilty as shit, bro.
All right. Without further ado,
He just says-
Okay.
he just said he was guilty, bro. Oh, Isaac and
Guilty.
Casey are gay lovers.
So, and like I said, circling back before, I already gave you a week of rest because, sure, football practice can be tiring, so I gave you that time because of my max hours that I had to do personally. I gave you that leeway, so I don't believe you should be given any more leeway just because you're tired. And also, to go on your second point of how it's late, bro, I know you're stayed up later and still got in the powerlifting, bro. And obviously, I feel like,
All of the answers have been answered. I need to give Casey some time.
Yeah, thank you, dog. Well, first of all, you can't leverage the point that...
no, it says I'm not.
Fuck.
Yo,
God
oh
damn.
my god, bro.
We have to reverse it.
Yes.
Actually going to wake up earlier than you to go pick you up, and still
is true.
wants to go to powerlifting. Oh.
Okay, well, this was not told to me. So
I literally
Red
said...
and
for nothing,
at
bro.
the beginning of this case that I wanted to reach a compromise
Chat.
instead of missing
Are
both
we
days,
ready?
you fucking
Are we
oaf.
ready?
We're good.
I literally
Hey, wait,
said I
we're
had
ready.
that summative
Hold on.
in class, dude.
Guys, everyone do this.
You're ready.
What? Yes. What?
It's the shift. You hold it and then go shift.
Oh my god.
Shift.
All right.
Did it work? Did it work? Someone take a screenshot.
I'm taking a screenshot.
Shit.
You put in our DMs.
Good job, guys. Good job.
Good job. All right, I think
Good job,
Casey
team.
is good.
Casey's good.
What does the jury think about this, bro?
My ruling is.
No,
Well,
listen
if
to
I
the
would have
jury.
known that you
The
weren't
jury
going to
influences you.
school, bro.
Wait, don't-
Casey.
So fucking gas.
Don't do anything.
Pass.
Me and Isaac. Oh my god.
To go to fucking school.
Whoa! I didn't-
Okay.
No.